Are we still leaking water up there?
I think the gun ought to take it.
Yeah, I think if we break them loose, the gun should take them.
Water coming out of this ram. And that's probably why we're having to do the seal kit. So I'm back here by the hydraulic tank, checking things out. I just pulled that plug, nothing came out. This one, I don't know if this is the return or I don't think this is the pressurized side. Look at that. Ew. This, you know, this Cat 235 is new to the family, so I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to drain this whole tank. Look at that nasty mess. This is supposed to be good hydraulic fluid. Looks half like water. Look at that bad.